Hello, we're getting more people into our classroom meetings, and things are cruising right along. We're working out some bugs. I did fix the spelling, so as of noon today it should be up and running. It just wasn't published underneath all your names. So it's all there and should be working. If something's not working, make sure you let me know, send me an email. If you need your IXL or MobiMax passwords, make sure you send an email to me and I will get them to you. Today we set a goal in our meeting that we will try to finish the discussion assignment underneath social studies, and you will complete your current event that is also underneath social studies, and you will submit them through Canvas. I'll grade them when they come in, and then they should show up in PowerSchool. The grades are linked to PowerSchool, so you should be able to see your grades. This might take a week to sort it out. Let me know if you can find it or not after I've graded it to you. I've had a number of assignments come in already and I graded them, so hopefully you've gotten the feedback and it's in PowerSchool. It'll take us a week to figure this out to get the grades. We are going to continue our 9 o'clock morning meeting tomorrow. Today we reviewed social studies and how it works. We're kind of learning Canvas through these subjects. And then tomorrow we will review the language arts and some of the work in there. Thursday we have a classroom lunch at 12 o'clock through Zoom. If you want to participate, it's just going to be a social hour with the class. Language arts blocks, if you're in block 1, you have a Zoom meeting on Friday at 9:30. Block 2, you have a Zoom meeting at 10, and block 3, you have a Zoom meeting at 10:30. Check on your language arts blocks home pages for the links, and basically that's where you will share your short research essay that we're working on in language arts. More on that tomorrow. We will also have a Zoom meeting on Friday at 1 o'clock to share your current event. That is also on the announcement page, and we'll go over that again tomorrow. Mr. Cook wants me to remind you that you need to look at your Gmail to get invited to his math class. There's a number of you who are not in his math class yet. He's not been able to contact you, so make sure you look at your email to get in. And then the last reminder is if you want a textbook because you do not want to read off the internet, the PDFs for the social studies or the science, make sure you email me today, and I will have those ready for you tomorrow at lunch or Thursday at lunch. I've got a couple people that have contacted me, and I'll be out there with the books ready for you tomorrow. Other than that, we will see you tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. Thank you.